We're setting up the next test here. This equipment is a highly accurate calibrated bolometer. A bolometer is a device that measures airflow. And what we're going to do is measure the airflow out of a bath fan. We have 2 bath fans in this house upstairs, and we're going to see how efficient they are by the amount of air they exhaust out of a bathroom area. So this is an adapter so we can efficiently surround the fan. This is a calibrated instrument, and it does check the amount of airflow through either a duct, a register, or a bath fan. And we're going to do the bath fans next, so I'm going to set this piece of equipment up. And then we'll proceed upstairs and use it. We're going to now check the flow rate on this bath fan with our bolometer and turn the switch on here. And we want to see a flow rate because, again, if we don't exit moisture out of a bathroom space like this, we will cause potential problems with painting paint. We may have wallpaper in here that wants to peel off. And currently we're seeing a flow rate here of only 13 CFM. Now we want to see at least 60 CFM or cubic foot per minute fan in this bath area. This one's only putting out 13. Minimum would be 20. So we do have a problem with this bath fan installation. We may have a plugged hose or ducting that goes to the outside. We may have a closed damper or partially closed damper in the fan. So we need to really take a good look at what's going on with this particular fan. That'll be recommended in the report. Right now we're going to take a look at the bath fan to see what possibly is the problem. Okay. You can see right here that it's rated for 80 CFM or 80 cubic feet per minute. If you remember from our last shot that we had taken a reading of 13 CFM. So there's something definitely wrong with this installation. It may be a pinched, again, duct going outside. The damper may be closed partially and not exhausting fully. You can see also the gap in the drywall here. When this fan is replaced, and we're going to recommend replacing with an energy efficient fan and also a quieter bath fan, that this area be caulked fully around the housing because, again, we are pulling air from the attic and not from the bathroom, and that's why we like to see these areas caulked. And I'm going to photograph this for my report. We're in the master bathroom. We're going to check this fan also. You can hear that it's running. And according to our bolometer here, we're measuring in the neighborhood of 43, 45 CFM, which is good. This fan also happens to be a 80 cubic feet per minute fan. And we want to take a look at how that fan housing is caulked to the drywall. So this is our bath fan installation in our master bathroom. I see a dead hornet in here. Well, what does that mean? Well, we've got holes in the framing around the fan, around the housing, and that should really be caulked, and that's where the bugs are coming in. So again, we're going to recommend a energy efficient type fan. This one is quite old, and we'll go with a quieter, higher efficient energy bath fan. And also we'll caulk all the drywall around here to eliminate air coming in and also maybe those pesky insects. Here we have a smaller bathroom in the house. This is typical of a half bath. And it has a light, but it has no fan. Again, we're going to recommend an energy efficient exhaust fan, and we can also recommend a combination unit that has a light in it. This is on an outside wall, so we could either mount it on the outside wall or again mount it to the ceiling, and the remodeler will make the best recommendation on how to do that.